right. I'm going to do another question to demonstrate. So now this is another trinomial that's going to be factored into a two binomials. All right. Now the first step, as we said before, multiply the a with c. So again, if we rewrite this into a x squared plus bx plus c. So we're going to multiply, the first step, to multiply a with c. So that is 12 multiplied by -2. 12. Always do not forget this is a -2 here. Okay, so this gives us the -24. So my next step now is how I'm going to break this -24 into two factors so them add together will become -5. Let's see how we can do this. So we can do 1 and 24. Then obviously 124 is going to get us nowhere. Okay, so then we do 2 and 12. Okay, well 2 and 12, either one will have to be negative. Either this one will be negative or the other one negative. Did that give us -5? No, sadly no, not necessarily. So 2 will not. 2 and 12, this pair will not work. Okay, well then how about we try 3? Okay, 3 and 8. This is looking rather promising because you see the difference between them gave me a 5. Okay, so then this is -5, therefore the larger number has to be negative. So then that is that. You see this pair, if you add this pair, 3 plus -8, well, that will give me -5. Bingo. So that's why we're going to pick this pair. Now the third one is what I do is I have to have this -5x rewrite into this 2x's. So what does this mean? Is -5x, I'm going to rewrite it into 3x subtract 8x. See, they're absolutely equal because they're the same thing. So now I'm going to go back to my trinomial here. So I'm going to break the middle term into two terms. So -5x, instead of that, I have a positive 3x and -8x. And then I have the final -2. So you see, now my trinomial now become a 4-term polynomial. Now from the 4-term polynomial, now as I said, that we are going to look at this here, binomial, another binomial. So then I'm going to factor respectively each binomial, they definitely have for sure common factors. So that is my fourth step. So the fourth step is I am factoring these two. So there's 2 factor steps here. See this? So the first step is factor this 2 binomial separately. So that means between this one and this one, 3 is a common factor, x is a common factor. Then in this term, now 4 left and 1x left. In this term, it is just +1 because the whole 3x is being pulled out. Now, this one, now we talk about if I give this a bracket here, if I give the second binomial a bracket here, then this has to be changed to positive. All right? So now let's take a look at here. So this is a negative here, so I copy this down. Now between 8x and 2, the common factor is 2. So I'm going to pull the 2 out. So now 2 is being pulled out. Now 8x, 2 pulled out, 4x left. 2 being pulled out, only a 1. left. All right. So you see, now I have another only binomial here. Before, this is a binomial. This is a binomial. Now I have only one binomial because this is a term, that is term. So this is a binomial. So this one, I'm going to further factor it. So if I say this is factor 1, this is a factor twice. So all the time you have twice factor you need to do. So then this time, common factor, 4x plus 1, pull this out. 4x plus 1, pull this out. And then this is 3x left here in this bundle. Negative 2 left in this bundle. Bingo! Wow, look at this. So now my trinomial, such as 12x squared minus 5x minus 2, has been factored into these two bundles. And in between, there's no multiply or plus, there's no plus or subtract. It is just this term multiplied by this term. So, or this is just go back here, this go back here. So this is 4x plus 1. The other one is 3x subtract 2. Okay, I will make another video for another example. So you can separately listen to this. So the recording is not going to be too long.